Hey everyone, Mr. Tess here. I have two reviews that I'm going to be coming at you with. I got two new products from Sanag. I've got the AX5 bone conduction Bluetooth headset, and then I've got this M15 dual speaker that we're going to look at right now. So check out both those videos. Make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate it. And I am also very happy to say that there's some new product, Mudra, that I'm going to be doing more videos on if you've seen those videos. So make sure to like, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. So on to today's video. This is the Sanag M15 portable Bluetooth speaker. It's IPX4. It's a 10-hour playback, uninterrupted playback, so that's pretty decent time. That's a good work day. IPX4 Waterproof, 10-watt dual speakers, which is nice, 45mm acoustic engine, Bluetooth 5.3, which features low latency, has FM radio and hands-free calling. And yeah, the price, $34.49 on AliExpress. There's usually some other coupons and different things you can get out there, and check it out. So let's actually get into the product itself though. We're right here. So this, again, is the Sanag M15. Looks like mine's going to be in white. They do have a black version of it. Pretty standard kind of box here. See the speaker there. And then on the side here, M15 version 5.3 on Bluetooth, 12,000 milliamp battery, 5-volt 1-amp charging, Bluetooth speaker. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I have done a lot of reviews of Bluetooth headsets, so I'll have again another one of those, and then I've had a couple reviews of speaker ones. I've got a Tozo single speaker one, and then I've got this guy, and I've had some Anchor ones in the past. But let's see what Sanag has for us. Inside, you got a little VIP card. Nice, with a QR code on the back there. That's a nice heavy-duty card. Got some instruction manual here. All good. We've got a Bluetooth, or not Bluetooth, a USB-A to C cable underneath. And there's our speaker. The rest of that's phone. We're going to set all of that aside. Off it goes. And then here is our speaker. That's nice. The white actually has a nice feel. It's a little rubbery on the logo there. That's the subwoofer there, looks like, or maybe squishy. Got a little clip here you can hang and hold. And then underneath here, come on, you. If you can get into it, that's the charging cable. But that is probably why you get your IPX4 waterproofing, because that does not want to open up for me. There we go. So yeah, USB-C right in there. Push that back down. Looks like on the top you've got power, minus volume, plus volume, and probably Bluetooth. You got the little label there on the bottom. So let's go ahead and power this on. Oh. Well, isn't it excitable? And let's go ahead and pull out a phone. Let's get some Bluetooth going here. Let's see, Bluetooth. Details. Sanag M15. There we go. Okay, so I see it to pair. And voila. I am paired to the device. And then I downloaded a test file that I'm going to start using going forward. It is called music. Where'd you go? It's called Jazz in Paris. So this is off. That's one volume. And I'm going to set this down here. That's one volume. Let's go to max volume. Okay, that is pretty loud. I'm going to actually enable a second one here. Put that on. Second here. Apologies for all the microphone love there. This way you can hear me better and you can hear. So I've now got a microphone on my lapel here. I've got a microphone down there. So let's turn it back up. Pretty clear audio going there. You can see it. Catch it moving there. Turn that down a little bit. But it's nice, the LED on the side. It's a pretty sweet speaker. But yeah, I would definitely say if you're in the market for a $30, $40 speaker, worth checking out. It does its job. It's got the two 10-watt speakers there, and that's the end of our song. I like the subwoofer here, the little light, and you can see that like bouncing around. I think that's a solid little speaker. That's about all I can say for it. If you're looking for something that you can take and be portable at a reasonable price, check it out. If you have any questions on it or anything else, let me know. And until next time, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.